Hello and welcome back. Today I'd like to show you how I made this card. It's very simple and easy. But I'm going to swap it up a bit. I'm going to use different colours and I'm going to use a matte layer behind the embossed layer. Okay, so let me show you how I made this. The card pieces you're going to need is a piece of Whisper White that measures 7 by 6 3/8, and it's scored at 3.5. A Mango Melody matte layer, which is 3 3/8 by 6 1/8. I've gone ahead and embossed this already, but we'll go through that in a moment. This embossed mat is 6 by 3 1/4, and one little piece of Whisper White that measures 5 by 2 1/4, and this is to stamp on. Okay, right, if we put all of these bits together first and then we can do the stamping. Right, let's just grab our Tombow. This Mango Melody is absolutely gorgeous. Such a bright, vivid colour, which is what I love. Let's put, woo. I say let's put a bit more over there. Woo. That was a bit more handsome. Right, so let's plonk this down. Okay. And then we're going to grab our embossed layer, which is the beautiful new embossing folders called Meadow Moments, and you get 2 in this. This is what I used on the other card. This is this one for this card, and for the butterfly card I used the leaves, which, if you remember in the last video, I also used that for the background to the deer. But they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful embossing folders. So let's put this one down as well. I just want a little bit of that Mango Melody to peep through, as that's what we're going to be stamping in, and we're going to be using this lovely big sunflower, and that is from the Celebrate Sunflowers, and it's this lovely big one here, and it's just beautiful for everything, really. As I keep saying. Right, okay, let's pop that to one side. We get our matte layer. Right, the idea is if we stamp it, actually, I'm going to turn this round. If we stamp it kinda towards the bottom, I thought that would look nice. And so grab our Mango Melody ink. Because it's a big stamp, it's probably a good idea if you bring your ink pad to the stamp. And as we're only going to be stamping the bottom of it, it's much easier to see, I feel. Right, so, oh gosh, I thought I got ink on that. Oh dear. Right. And let's pop it towards the bottom here. Straight down and straight up. How do we think that looks? Does it need to come over a bit further? I think maybe it does. Right, right, let's clean this stamp off and turn it over, and let's do that again and bring it a bit further over, I think. Right, where you can see, I don't know if you can see, the trimmer leaves little raised edges, so just grab your bone folder and just go round the edges to take those bumps out so they're not so raised and it's a lot smoother. Right, let's try this again and we'll go a bit further over. Right, ink pad, and that side we want, so let's splodge it on. Close that up. Right, grab this again. Right, let's bring it further over. Use your grid paper to line it up if it's easier for you. And straight down and straight up. Ah, that looks better, doesn't it? Yeah, that looks better further over. Okay, and all we need to do now is just stick that down. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dimensionals on this, actually, and raise it. So let's grab those. Plonk them on there. Okay, and let's get these little backings off. I really need to put my little tin there so I haven't got dimensional backings running everywhere. Oh, come on, little one, come on. Right, there we go. Right, whoa, let's flip her over. And let's put her in the middle there. And let's see that she's middle for diddle and not a bit. Right, as I've said to you before, it might be better just bringing the card up to you so you can see. Right, there we go. And that's it. That's our card for today. Very straightforward, very simple. And that's the butterfly that I did, which is stuck down. That one hasn't got any dimensionals on. But it's up to you whether you want to add the layer of colour that goes with your stamping, or whether you just want to leave it plain like that. Thank you very much for watching. If you like any of the products I've shown you today, please visit my online shop at louisadiamond.stampingup.net, and please use the September host code so I can send you a thank you card and a little something, and please tick the box to say you do not mind hearing from me. If you liked the video, please comment and give me a thumbs up, and click the bell button below so you can get all the notifications when I post another video. All the links are in the description below. If you do not have a demonstrator and would like a catalogue, please email me at bluebellinc@aol.com and I'll be happy to send one out to you. God bless, take care, love you lots, bye.